only is seen by those looking for it, like soft trails in the forest. Close up, a leaf is turned, brittle and brown as it lies there on the ground. A dry branch has blocked the way, broken and pushed aside, yet in another light from a ridge nearby, its lines run by trees and brush. It is efficient and wise, with no idle ambling, following warmth and smooth places of rest, finding water and sweet taste of white oak. It is a path of there and back again, and fails not in winter snows. And I know them near or far, I love them all, these ways of dear.